Hey guys, and welcome to Bad Drivers Outlook number 1. Today we'll take a closer look at this Accord that almost T-boned us. It's obvious she wasn't paying attention. We can't see a phone in her hand yet, but when I slow the clip down, you can see that she jerked the wheel with one hand, which does not mean she was texting. However, it does look like she's putting a white object down near the center console as we start beeping. Look at the way her hand moves as she puts the white object, which could be a reflection off of something, down near the center console. I want to hear your opinion. Does it seem like this Accord driver was just distracted? Was she texting? What do you guys see? Comment below. Do you guys want me to make more of this type of video? Comment below your opinion.